Hi students, have you completed the homework that I have given in the second video? Okay, let's start some new reactions for balancing purpose. Here the first two reactions. These two reactions, 1, 2. These are the reactions you can solve easily by considering the polyatomic ions. Here we can see there is a nitrate NO3, it is a polyatomic ion, and sulfur is also polyatomic ions. So you can easily solve by considering the number of polyatomic ions over here. So let's begin. Just see, here is a nitrate 2 nongs, but here nitrate 1 nong. Better you can consider it like this. Consider this, so nitrate 1 nong. Sulfate, same, sulfate you can consider like this. Sulfate 1 1 balanced, but nitrate polyatomic ions not balanced. So in order to balance nitrate, you just put 2 before NaNO3. So I am writing 2 and just count NO3 twice, NO3 also twice. Sodium number 2, here is also sodium 2, all are balanced. Similar kind of reactions, another, it is ammonium sulfate, barium nitrate reacts, gives barium sulfate and ammonium nitrate. Here is also polyatomic ions like nitrate and ammonium. We have to just balance these polyatomic ions and the reaction automatically balance. No need to balance the number of atoms, like here hydrogen 4 to the 8 atoms, here 4 atoms. No need to balance like this, it will be more difficult. So when there is polyatomic ions, you better balance the polyatomic ions on both sides. So just see, here is ammonium 2 nongs, nitrate 2 nongs, but here you can see nitrate 1, ammonium also 1. Very simple, just put 2 and the reaction is balanced. Next, Cl2 plus NaOH, NaCl, NaOCl, H2O. Just find which atom is maximum in number. You can see here is 2 is the highest number here. Also you can see 2 is the highest number here. So any one you consider and try to balance. So I will consider say chlorine. Here is 2 chlorine, but you can see here is also chlorine 1 and 1 2. That is, chlorine is already balanced. So what is that? Hydrogen. Just see hydrogen 2 atoms. Here is 1 atoms. So in order to balance hydrogen 2, you just put 2 before NaOH. In this way, just see oxygen 2. Here is also 1 oxygen and another 1 oxygen 2. Sodium 2 nongs, 1 there, another there, balanced. Now it is potassium hydroxide H2SO4, K2SO4 and H2O. How to balance it? Simply just see highest number. You can see that it is 4 highest number, but it is a polyatomic ion SO4. It is also SO4. So SO4, SO4 balanced. Now what is remaining? Potassium or hydrogen. Just see potassium 2. Here is potassium 1. So simply put 2 over here. Potassium balanced. Now see hydrogen. Hydrogen 2. Hydrogen also 2. And then oxygen. Oxygen 1. Sorry, oxygen 2. Here is 2. So what you will do? You just put 2 over here. Sorry, you just put 2 over here and just see oxygen 2 nongs, hydrogen 2 to the 4. So here also hydrogen 2 and this 2 4, so it is balanced. Now next FeCl3 SnCl2 FeCl2 SnCl4, ferric chloride, stannous chloride, ferrous chloride, tannic chloride. So which atom is in maximum number? Chlorine. 3 plus 2 5, here 4 plus 2 6, so you have to balance chlorine. There is, here the total number is odd number, but here it is even number. So first you have to make it even, that odd number you have to make it even. So just simply put any odd number. If we want to make even, then first write 2, everybody is not matching, then 4, then 6, like this. So I will put 2. So it is 2 FeCl3, automatically iron twice, so I will put 2 over here, iron twice. Now count the chlorine. 3 to the 6 plus 2 8, 2 to the 4 plus 4 8, balanced. It is another easy example, CO plus O2 CO2. So very simple, oxygen not balanced. Here is 2 plus 1 3, here is 2. So just simply put 2 over here, because it is odd number. To make it even, you just put 2 and then see 2 plus 2 4, and it becomes, if you put 2, it becomes 4. In the same way, here it is maximum number is hydrogen. Here it is 2, here it is 3. These are one even, another odd. So to balance them, just take the LCM. 2 and 3 LCM 6. So if you put 3 over here, hydrogen 6, and if you put 2 over here, hydrogen also 6. At the same time, see number of nitrogen 2, also 2. Now what about that reaction? Ammonium dichromate gives chromium oxide, nitrogen, water. Which element is present in maximum number? Let's see, hydrogen. How many? 4 2s are 8. Here it is just 2. So simply balanced hydrogen by putting 4. So it becomes 4 to the 8. Nitrogen whole 2 means nitrogen 2. Here is also 2. Chromium twice. Oxygen total 7 left side. Here is a 3 and then 4, 7 balanced. Now magnesium plus N2, Mg3N2. So Mg3. So just put 3 and it is balanced. Now Fe2O3 plus Al, Al2O3 Fe. Very easy. Fe2, here is 1, so simply put 2. Al2, here is 1, so simply put 2, balanced. Wait. Now see, here it is sodium plus H2O, NaOH plus H2. Which atom is maximum? Just see, 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, so in total 3. Then in the right side, here it is 2, but it is even number, so you have to make it, sorry, it is odd number, so you have to make it even. Simply put 2 over here. At the same time, sodium is 2, so put 2. Again see, here is oxygen. How many oxygen? 2 oxygen. So to balance it, put 2 and just see oxygen balanced. Now hydrogen 2 to the 4. Here it is 2, another 2, 4 balanced. Now NH3 plus CuO, Cu plus N2 plus H2O. Which atom is maximum? Say hydrogen 3. Here it is 2. So these are one is odd, one another is even. So to make them equal, take the LCM. 3 to the 6. So if you put 2 over here, hydrogen 6, and if you put 3 over here, hydrogen also 6. Now see, how many nitrogen? 2. Here it is also 2. How many oxygen the right side? 3. Here it is 1. So simply put 3 over here, oxygen 3 balanced. Now copper is 3, so you put 3 over here. Next, H2S plus O2, H2O plus S. How to balance? Hydrogen 2, 2 balanced, okay. Oxygen is here 2, here is 1. So it is odd, it is even. So you have to first make it even. So just put 2. Always start with 2, then 4, then 6 like this. So 2, then how many hydrogen? 2 to the 4. So simply put 2. How many sulfur? 2. So simply put 2. Finished. Now here is a one kind of reaction which is little different, which is very little different. I am taking the pencil because it is a trial and error method. So you have to balance first which atom is in maximum. Hydrogen 3, hydrogen 2. So to me, one is odd, one is even. So simply LCM. So if I write 2 over here, then I have to write 3 over here. Now see, hydrogen balanced, nitrogen also balanced. But what about oxygen? Oxygen has 3 nongs. Here is 2 nongs. You cannot make it 3 or odd number. In that case, you just double these numbers which you have written right now. So by doubling means 2 becomes 4 and 3 becomes 6. Now check how many nitrogen? 4 nitrogen. So simply put 2. How many oxygen? 6. So simply put 3. Balanced. Now I am giving some homeworks. You will try at home. C plus HNO3 gives CO2 plus NO2 plus H2O. Then PBS plus H2O2 arrow PbSO4 plus H2O. Then Al plus HCl arrow AlCl3 plus H2. Then NH3 plus Cl2 N2 plus NH4Cl. Then ethane C2H6 plus O2 CO2 plus H2O. Then phosphorus pentachloride PCl5 plus H2O, phosphoric acid H3PO4 plus HCl. Then Al plus NaOH arrow plus H2O arrow NaAlO2 plus H2. And finally balance the reaction of photosynthesis. You know it in the life science, the process of making food, the plant. So you have to write the reaction and then balance. Okay, just try it at home and keep practicing. All the reaction you write in your copy and then keep practice. Okay, best of luck.